This is WORxK Global News, bringing you today's top workplace insights. A new feature article, Creating a Career Vision Board, a step-by-step guide to achieving your goals, explores how professionals can use vision boards as a practical and motivational tool to advance their careers. A career vision board is more than a collage of inspirational images. It is a strategic planning tool that helps clarify ambitions, prioritize objectives, and create a visual roadmap towards success. By reflecting on values, strengths, and long-term aspirations, individuals can design a board that serves as both motivation and a guide for action. The process begins with preparation, asking critical questions about strengths, weaknesses, career desires, and non-negotiables. From there, the article walks through creating the board itself, using images, words, and affirmations that represent an ideal role, work environment, and future achievements. Once the board is complete, activating it becomes key. By setting SMART goals, breaking them into actionable steps, and regularly reviewing progress, professionals can transform vision into tangible results. The message is clear. A career vision board is not just creative expression, it is a powerful way to stay focused, motivated, and aligned with professional growth. You're watching WORxK Global News, your source for career, leadership, and workplace updates.